Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the application encountered and unrecoverable error in Roblox. This is the updated method guys. I will be sharing. So make sure you watch the whole video. First thing, you need to update the graphics card driver guys. For that, right click on the start icon, select device manager, click on it, expand the display adapter section and select your display adapter guys. If you are using AMD or Nvidia or Intel graphics card driver, right click on it and select update driver, select search automatically for driver, and the best drivers for your device are already installed. After getting this message, click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update, click on check for updates, and if anything listed over here you just want to download and install it guys. After installing it, close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting, you just need to right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type percentage local app data, click on OK, percentage again, click on OK. Now you just need to search for temp folder, double click on it and search for Roblox guys, ROB. If you find anything named as Roblox, you just want to right click on it and select delete guys. I already deleted the cache of Roblox, that's why I'm not getting it. You just want to find it and right click on it and select delete guys. After deleting it, close out of here, and the same way you just need to go to Google Chrome and clear the cache in Roblox history guys. Go to Google Chrome, select the three dot icon, select settings. On left side select privacy and security, on right side select cookies and other site data. Scroll down, select see all site data and permission. In here you just need to search for Roblox player.exe. If you find named as Roblox, you just want to click on the trash icon and clear it. After clearing it, close out of here, and so now you just want to uninstall the Roblox guys. For that, go to search menu and type installed app, installed, installed app, click on open it. Go to search menu and type Roblox. You just need to delete all of these guys, select the three dot icon, all of these, and select uninstall, select uninstall like this, everything. In here you just need to uninstall it. After doing it, close out of here and go to Google Chrome. After uninstalling it, go to Google Chrome and type Roblox free download. Click on the first option, roblox.com, click on it and select the download option and download it guys. You just need to download it. After download it, you just want to install it guys. Go to File Explorer and install it. After installing it, opens up like this. Right click on it and you just need to select properties, select the compatibility tab. You just need to enable run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimization. You just need to check mark both of it guys, both of it, check mark it and apply and OK. After doing this, you just need to open up Roblox player and problem resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.